Hey you! If you want to bring your 2024 visions to life, well, this is the perfect video for you. Before manifesting your dream life and working on your mental space, it's important to first work on your physical space and create a very clean environment. Once you have a clean physical space, it's easier for you to think and manifest. It could be by organizing your products, your jewelry, your fridge, basically anything. Next would involve visualizing your dream life. Now, it majorly includes you journaling, you writing about your dream life. So, what I basically do is that I start writing about 2024. Yes, I write about 2024 and I start expressing gratitude towards everything that has occurred throughout the year without it actually occurring right now. So basically, I am manifesting the year's reflection. I start to write about it, what all has happened, what all have I achieved in advance in this. And once you're done writing it, you can also start by writing some of the affirmations that you want to channelize in the upcoming year. Once you write everything in advance, it offers a sign to the universe that this is something that you want to achieve by the end of the year. So this is a really good practice that I actually practice myself. Next would be vision boards. Vision boards are like a great way. It's a collage of images that represents your wishes and goals, and I have seen a lot of people and so many of them have achieved everything on their vision board, at least 80% of it. And what it basically involves is that you have to sit with everything in your mind what you want to achieve, get some pictures out and just start pasting them randomly on a sheet of paper. I usually do this on my planner. You can also use a canvas board. You can also paste it out on a wall. Next would be setting goals. Setting goals is equally important. You can refer to various templates. It involves various settings that you want to achieve. You can divide your goals into sections, be it health, financial, spiritual, academic. Write them down. What do you want to achieve by the end of the year? What are your top 3 goals? There are various templates that you can find in the form of planners, in the form of Pinterest. You can find various templates right there, and you can start filling them up on the basis of what you are looking for. Once you're done writing that, here are some templates that I would like to recommend to you all. So I personally use the templates that are already there with me in my planner. For example, your future self timeline. What do you want to achieve by say 6 months or 5 months, and 24 things to do in 2024. It will help you in putting efforts in the right direction and achieving your dreams effectively. Self-care reset is equally important. At the end of the year, it's very important to just sit down, do a physical reset, do a self-care. These are some products that I actually would highly recommend you guys. If you want to do like a physical reset, just give a self-care day to yourself. Give an everything shower. Mental reset involves phone decluttering. Declutter your mental space, especially if you're someone who spends most of their time on phones or laptops. Try to remove anyone that sounds toxic. Try to remove anything that is no longer providing value to you. Clean your storage just before the beginning of the year. New Year essentials. I would personally recommend to you all that you invest in good quality books. With that, I mean self-help books like really do help. If you're someone who thinks that they're boring, yes, I do agree. You can go for audiobooks and play them in the background. Books are a really good way for you to channelize positive energy in the beginning of the year itself and have a good mindset. Next is high quality makeup. Yes, I'm saying this. Good high quality makeup is a blessing. It prevents a lot of acne and a lot of other stuff, but it is also a long term investment for you, especially if you're someone who does makeup every single day. I would highly recommend you guys to invest in some good quality makeup. And lastly, search for your happiness. Don't fabricate or force things here and there. Do the things that you love. If it's something that you like, you should definitely go for it because it will provide you with that sense of happiness that no other thing can. And let's manifest a joyous 2024. Goodbye.